Hi folks, today I'm going to give you a brief introduction about the interest-based network. It's a startup product. The name is called Sozialpapier. So the first step, what is this? A revolutionary writing and reading pad. Why do we really need a writing and reading pad? So that is, writing and reading is a basic activity in our life. It start from your school and it's just continue in your college and throughout your life. And reading is a awesome hobby. Most of the peoples are having it in their mind. So reading and writing it's our part of life, and it's changed from the platform to another platform. So the platform gets changed. Still you are reading from your computer, in your gadgets, in your mobile phones, in your tablet, reading an emails, writing an emails to your friends, and chat with your friends. So writing and reading are the basic characters that uh, still it's in with your life. So nowadays people are building different platforms to support this reading character. That's what blogs are come into our life. And there are a lot of blogging services available in the internet. For example, blogspot, wordpress, tumblr. And the tumblr is so popular now, and there are an n number of problems with these blogging services. What are the problems are really? Yeah, there is a problem in writing, and there is a problem in commenting. And how do I really get an audience for my blog post? It's a really huge problem. And connecting to a blog, it's another wonderful problem you have in this world. How do I get connected to my blog? And then the final one, okay, I am reading something in a blog. Okay, is there anything, is there any blog could recommend something that is really relevant to my reading? So these n number of problems are existing in our current blogging services. So what is this? Yeah, I could use my WordPress and Blogspot. The UI is simple. Yeah, it's really help me to type my title and content, and I can edit everything. But these are very basic UI. That's not I. That's not really smart UI. And then as I earlier said, Tumblr is going to rocking nowadays in this blogging services. But in the user interface itself, nothing gets changed. That's my point here. Why you are still depend on a third party services for a commenting, right? For as as I said, if you are if you are really going to comment any post in a blog in a global way, you have to still need to depend on a third party services, and it's really painful. If you are not signed in, then again you have to sign in and come back to your original page and need to comment in on a page, right? So to get an audience for, again, the crucial problem with this, oh my god, I have tens and thousands of blog posts. you Whenever I write it, should I share to my audience? Okay, so I'm going to share in my 10,000 clicks I get waste in sharing my blog post in Google Plus, Facebook, and Twitter. What is the problem in this sharing, right? All the audience are not ready to view our article. The reason is it's completely not relevant to them. Let's say, for example, I am a techie guy. I could write different techie items in my life. But one of my friends in social media, he is not he's not completely a techie guy. He's completely into a cinefield industry. He is not even ready to view my post. Though what is the point in sharing my article into his wall post? It's completely no meaning of sharing. And oh my god, I'm really getting tired to share these contents in social media. And making viewers to your customers through emails. Oh my god, It's sorry, it won't work, man. The reason is, while connecting to any blog, you just nowadays you just depend on a feed burner, or there are a lot of services are available to connect your blog through 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 your emails. Yeah, users are ready to give their emails and they start subscribing. Okay, okay, I'm subscribing to one in a blog. What will happen when I subscribe to a, at least let's think about a simple calculation. Let's say I have a 5 blogs. In a 5 blogs, if every blog produces a one article, and it just come to my in a day I will get a 5 fresh article. Yeah, I am interested in those blog posts, so I just subscribe to it and I'm getting it. Nothing wrong in this. But what is the really hard problem here is, once if you are not, at least think about it, if you are not checking your emails at least in a 3 to 5 days, what is the head count here? You will get a 25 unread emails in your inbox. If you open it, you will get these kind of junk mails into your inbox. So 25 unread emails in my inbox, it's look really horrible. And after that my inbox will look like junk box. It's not an inbox. So the inbox, it's, I really care about the messages that could I really interested from my friends, and really important messages that could I prefer to have it in my inbox. These kind of mails really hurting me, so I'm going to delete this, right? And then the really serious problem with this world is, not everybody is a techie guy. I am using an iPad every day. There is no need to be a techie in this world to use an iPad, right? So if you are going to integrate these kind of a third-party services recommendations in your blog, at least you have a minimum understanding of your blogspot structure, so that you can just copy and paste some code from a different third-party services and insert in your blog, and then you can make your blog really wonderful. So, but what is the solution? What is the solution? Still the non-techie guys are in problem. See, I am an author. I have my own thoughts. I am able to write it, and I able to share my thoughts in blog. But why should I do this? It's a techie problem. I don't want to take it this, right? Next, the blogging services are really free, but are really hard to use. Then the another thing, the last one I just mentioned it here. You could write an n number of articles in your blog, but there is no point in, if you are not doing good SEO in your blog, you will not reach the right audience for your blog. So SEO is a really a techie item. So no one is ready to learn it, and we really think about the everyone in this world should use the blog, should write their own voice in their with their hands. So let's power it up, your writing and reading, to solve all these problems. You just tried this social paper. The social paper, the product, it's going to change your reading and writing behavior in your life. Will give you assurance. The whatever the problems you see in the current blogging problems, will able to solve this using this social paper. Thank you.